Months of the year. January, January. February, February.
March, March.
April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. When is your birthday? My birthday is in July. What month comes after April? May comes after April. What month comes before September? August. What is your favorite month? My favorite month is March.